Yo, what is up, everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can see the transaction history of your, Binance on your Binance app. So right now I'm on Binance app. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, let me tell you guys what transaction history is. Transaction history is basically like if you guys know what search history is on Google, then basically what you search for, it's going to show you. So basically in transaction history, basically if you go over there, it's going to show you all the history of your transaction, like the amount of Bitcoin or the amount of crypto you bought and the amount of crypto you transferred and you transferred out and transferred in. It's going to show you all that. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to open your Binance app and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to go on where it says wallet. Once you go on wallet, basically what you want to do is you want to go on where it says this small, this icon over here. You want to click on this icon. After you click on this icon, it's going to take you to the history page like this. And in this history page, there's all this category over here, and the history is going to be different according to the different category. If you choose this category, it's going to show you the history of this category. If you choose this, it's going to show you the history of this. So you just want to choose the option of which history you want to see, and you can see it. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So hope you guys are able to understand on how you guys can find your Binance transaction history on Binance app. So if you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then. And don't forget to use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.